So first what you need to do is you need to get a bucket and just collect loads of scrap paper, newspaper and cardboard. Now what you need to do is you need to get some water and put it all over your paper. If it is a bit liquidy, then leave it a few hours for it to absorb some more water. But if it's too dry, just add a little bit of water. Now what you need to do is just mix it and shred all the pieces of paper, and it should be like a thick porridge mixture. Now get a potato masher and just mash it for about 5 minutes just to get some of the lumps out. It is really fun to do this. Okay, so now what you need to do is you need to get a handful of your paper mixture and just squeeze some of the water out of it. And do that with all your mixture. Now you need to line a baking tray with baking paper and put your paper inside it. Then you need to get a towel and absorb quite a lot of the water from the thing. Do that for 2 minutes. Then you need to put your oven onto 150 degrees and do that for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now you need to take your paper out of the oven and put it on a cooling rack outside. And if it's raining, take it inside, but you need it to get to the air for 1 to 2 days and then it should be dry.